Namaste. Good evening. Once again to trouble you because morning I sent one video but the audio was not all this good quality. So many of you have given me a message saying that audio is not good. What is the message? Okay, now I would like to tell you all, I just put it in the nutshell what I spoke in the morning. I want to teach you all something A, B, C, D, Y. Okay. A, B, C, D, Y. What is this yoga teacher is teaching A, B, C, D, Y? Heard of many places they have taught A, B, C, D, Y. Okay. Here in ISB, A, B, C, D, Y means anybody can do yoga. That is A, B, C, D, Y. Okay, that you got it. Today what I am going to teach you A, B, C, D, Y is the vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D and Y. Okay. What is the vitamin A? Awareness and alert. In this time, we need to be more aware of what is happening. I'm not talking about politics or anything. What is happening? These viruses are here and there. Whether we can go to that place and not go to this place should we go, and what is available for us. All these things are on awareness. Okay, once the awareness has come, we have to take it into action. There comes the alertness. Alertness. Okay, these are all the alertness. So the body and the psychological and also any information will be there psychological. And anything we have to put it in action, that will come the alert. Alert and awareness together. That is the vitamin A. Now you are perfect with the vitamin A. Now let us go to the vitamin B. Alertness and awareness alone is not enough. We have to do the breathing. Vitamin B. B for breathing. P for pranayama. We should teach this to our children, not the what English taught us. B for ball. P for pen. We should teach our culture is B for, okay, alphabets are English, so we have to give this. I am also trying. Okay. So B for breathing. We should do all the Nadi Shuddhi and Kapalabhati. What all that pranayama you can learn, that you have to do. That is vitamin B. Vitamin B, put the mask and breathe inside only. Don't just let it out. Don't take it. So when you go out, breathing, your breath, this nostril area is taken care with the vitamin B. Okay. Then vitamin C. What is that vitamin C? Consciousness. Everywhere the consciousness. When you are alert, aware and breathing, all the three factors are happening perfectly. That's the consciousness, connectivity with the consciousness. You almost become a yogi in this alert, aware and breathing. That is pranayama I am talking about that. With these three factors, the vitamin C, the three things which what you are doing is this conscious connectivity that gives you the connectivity. See, then all the three A, B, C is up, and what is the left is divinity, vitamin D, divine. You become divine. You are not divided from that, Aham Brahmasmi, I am that. No, I am coming closer to that. It may be a simple thing, alertness, awareness and conscious breathing. With all this, how can I be not? I just be divided. I am this, that is that. No. You get connected. When you get connected, that divine feel, you get it. That divinity, that divine feel only will keep you away from this which is attacking us now. So alertness, awareness, breathing, conscious connectivity and then vitamin D. Okay, divine. What is the why? Yoga. Why you are not practicing yoga? These are all preparatory. If you do yoga, these things can happen easily. Yoga is for the physical body and the mind and the psychological, emotional body. So when you do yoga, I am asking my question, this is not this why. I am asking why. A, B, C, D, why? You are not doing. Because you are not doing yoga, these are little difficult or you are not aware of it. Now I am telling you, beware of your own self, beware of our own self, that what we are not doing, practicing yoga. I expect everyone to do yoga. This is the time given. Always when I tell everybody, hey, join yoga, learn yoga, not only with me, with the Indian School of Breathing, anywhere, yoga is the same. It's up to you, anywhere you can learn. But generally what they say, I have first thing that comes is the factor is that no time. Now, we are paying a big price for the time. Very big price for the time. No time. Hey, are you doing? I will come, but what to do? My work are all like this. So stretch your wake up time or sleeping time, something you try. Just give 20 minutes time. Pranayama at least. Pranayama will give you the best immunity and that will give you the flexibility. So join in yoga, enjoy, be happy, and what to say? I tell you something about, see my t-shirt, Jing Bang Yogi. It's Jing Bang Yogi. You know what's it? I'm freak. I'm freak of yoga. It doesn't mean that I take my leg on my head. Not that kind of the freak I am talking about. Whenever I want to do what my body wants, I am very alert and aware. My body doesn't want the virus. I am sure about it. My body wants some movements. I do it. Very healthy movements I give it. Whenever. For that, one first thing what I do is, I keep my stomach always half filled, not full, half. So I do from that. These are all the smaller things which the factors will integrate you to have alert awareness, consciousness and be divine. That's all. Thank you all. See you soon.